In the farm once more, and we are in the process of trying to spray glyWEED. So currently I have someone on the farm. Let's see the best that they can do. It has been raining the past couple of weeks. The hard areas which were rocky have now become muddy and impassable. Most of the holes which had been dug for the orange trees have become waterlogged. This is becoming a hazard to the orange plants. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notifications. Need to find a way of getting the water out as soon as possible, despite the rain still coming in heavily. It's rained so much, the water clogging on the black alluvial soil has left the soil so soft, the feet are just going in and getting stuck. Not sure whether that's a good thing, but so far it's a bit of a challenge when working on it. The water drainage is very poor. It's raining, that's a bad thing. I tend to think, because the water is just filling up and it's getting to the leaves of the plants. By the time this water drains out, more rain will have come, so there will be no much difference to the water level here. This is what I'm dealing with today. This weed just came out of nowhere and is trying to get to the farm. So what we are doing is trying to spray the glyWEED. Hopefully it will kill it all of it to the root, and we will not have to continue dealing with it again. So thus far, that's my challenge for the day. The sun is about to go down and we are still here. God help us.